Hey Google, launch CNN on Roku TV.
Okay, launching CNN on the Roku.
And there she goes. So guys, I know you've been wondering, how do I do this? I'd love to lay in bed and speak with my Google Home Mini and ask he or she to do wondrous things on my Roku TV. Well, I'm here to tell you how. So we're back here on the home page of your Roku TV or Roku box, Roku stick. And there are a lot of things that you need to do. By the way, happy Valentine's Day, friends. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. First thing you need to do is to ensure that your Roku device and your TV set are on, and your Google Home are on the same Wi-Fi network. So ensure that your Google Home or your Google Mini are on the same network as your Roku device. The next thing you need to do is to go into settings. So let's go to the settings right here. And we're going to check to ensure that we have the latest version of the software. So we're going to go all the way to System, go to About. You need to ensure that your device is running software version 8.1 or higher. So as you can see right there, my Roku TV, which is the TCL 43S517 4K TV, is running version 8.2. So I'm good to go. So let's get back out of here. The next thing you need to do is to enable what they call the fast mode. And what that does is to ensure that your TV is accessible literally at any time and be accessible to voice commands. So you're going to go into Power and you're going to go across right there down to Fast TV Start, and you need to ensure that this is enabled. So Fast TV Start needs to be enabled. So the next thing you'll want to do is to ensure that you've got the Google Home app downloaded to your device, whether that's a tablet or a smartphone, and it is also available on iOS and on Android. Right here I'm using the Nexus 5X Android phone, and here it is. So that's the Google Home app right there. If you're not certain what it looks like, right there, it's almost like a house. It's in the shape of a colorful Google Home, and I'm gonna enter it. And let me go, and I'm going to go to the section that says Add Device. And I'm going to go Setup Device. Go right here, where it says Works with Google. And I'm going to look for Roku in this list of apps or devices that you can control. You'll see a long list right here. Go and search for Roku. So here we go, Roku. R-O-K-U. There you go, Roku. Select Roku. Now it's going to take you to your Roku account. And I'm going to log into my Roku account. So I'm in my Roku account, and as you can see, it's found two devices. I have one in my bedroom, which is a 43-inch TCL Roku TV, and I also have a Roku 2, an older model Roku box, in my living room. So I want to connect to the TCL. So select TCL, which is in my bedroom, and continue to the Google app. It's taking me out back into the app. It's linking, as you can see, it's linking the accounts now. And there you go. it's linked. Now the good thing about this is that you can control this from any smart devices that are on the same Wi-Fi network, as well as your Google Home and your Google Home Mini. So here I have my Nexus 5X, and I'm gonna press this button right here and now send a command which I'll show you on the Roku TV. So here we go. Launch CNN on Roku TV.
Okay, launching CNN on the Roku.
And there you go. That's CNN launching on the Roku TV. Now the cool thing about this also, guys, is that you can do multiple commands. So you can say, like, hey Google, launch HDTV on Roku TV.
Manage my customer list? Okay, launching HGTV on the Roku.
Okay, and the HGTV is being launched. The HGTV app on Roku is launching. So you can launch directly into your favorite channels. You can also power the TV off with your voice. So you don't want to get up, you can't find the remote, you're feeling sleepy, and you look over and you see your Google Home Mini and you say, hey Google, turn off Roku TV.
Sure, turning the Roku off.
There you go, powering off. Now because you have the fast start enabled in your Roku device, you can now start your Roku TV and go straight to an app without having to go to the main page. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Hey Google, launch ESPN on Roku TV. So it's gonna, as you can see,
Sure, launching ESPN.
it's turning on the TV very quickly, and it's gonna go straight to ESPN. Okay, and I'm going into the ESPN app. And I can also change the volume while I'm here. Hey Google, turn volume down to 50% on Roku TV.
Actually, the Roku doesn't support that function.
Hey Google, lower volume on Roku TV. Hey Google, turn up volume on Roku TV. And there you go. Some really cool features. Okay guys, so I'm going to wrap up this video now, but remember, this is quite simple and you have a few steps that you need to follow. So remember, you need to have a free Roku account, a Google Assistant device such as a Google Pixel phone, Google Home Mini, or Google Home Max, and you need to download the Google Home app on your device, on your phone. And then you go in and you configure as you've seen earlier on in this video. And some other things you can do, you can pause on the Roku device, you can fast forward, you can rewind, you can launch an app as you've seen me do. And you can turn on the Roku, you can turn it off, you can raise the volume, and you can switch sources. So you can go from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, and you can say that directly, obviously using the OK Google command, and say you want to do that on Roku TV. Okay guys, I really hope that this was helpful. If you found this helpful, and you will now be empowered to go get your Google Mini or your Google Home device controlling your Roku TV, and you feel empowered now to do so, please like, please subscribe, and please leave your comments down. If there are any other questions you'd like to ask, please do so. And thanks again for watching.